You see, the thing about clients, most of all, is they like paying for what they see. And that is why you see an architect will do a plan that looks very beautiful. The client is only focused on the final output, the final beauty. But we, the engineers, we are looking at that structurally because without the structural part, that structure will never reach that beauty level. Even if it reaches, how long is it going to stand? It's just like your body. Can your body survive without the bones that are inside? It's clearly impossible. Without your skeletal structure, you won't be able to do anything. You can't walk. You can't even talk. You can't do anything. Look at your body really for 1 second. Try moving your fingers around. Move your head. Move your legs and stuff. What is helping all that move? It is your skeleton. It's the same thing with projects. What you see out here is just the beauty. But this will not exist if you don't have the skeleton, a very good skeletal framework inside. It's the same thing with projects. Now, the mistake clients do is when you cost all this structural stuff, which is like a skeleton, they look at it and they neglect the cost. And they are only looking for the finishing. They are only focused on the final output. The most important, you can joke with the finishing. You can joke with that because that is actually something that can easily be maintained or changed. But the structural framework is something you cannot joke with. Those things that you don't see as a client, which your engineer is struggling to explain to you that this is very important. No, your brain is already focused on the final output, the final outcome. That's the only thing you are looking at, you're waiting for. And whatever thing they're telling you is not more important, and stuff. Please pay very close attention to this. This is going to the client in particular. What you see, which is the finished product, is as a result of a very good build-up of what is existing inside. And you don't have to neglect that. Pay very close attention to that. If not, you find yourself in serious problems. It is better you have a problem with finishing than to have a problem structurally. Because such problems, in very rare cases, can be solved. Very rare. Like, the percentage is just like 5%. In most cases, you have to bring down the whole structure and you take it all over again. Can you imagine how much that is going to cost you? So please, pay very close attention to this.